Hi guys, I'm Maserati Creator. Today we are going to learn how to publish our business on Google. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe if you're old here. Thank you for coming back. Let's jump to the video. Intro. So guys, let's continue. So what you need to do is you go to Google and search Google business. Google business. You search for Google business, right? So when you search for Google business like this, you see this Google business profile. This is Google business profile. That's what you want. So you come here. So you can sign in. Yes, we are going to sign in with our Google account. So you don't need anything big. So this is a tutorial. Let me use my own name, Maserati the Creator. So Maserati the Creator. So I already have my brand name Maserati of Design in the system. So I'm doing Maserati the Creator. Continue. Okay, so two uppercase. Okay, let me change it. Yes. So this depends on your service you are doing or the type of business you are doing. You have the online retail. That means customer can purchase products through your website. You have the local, so customers can visit your business in person. And you have service business. Your business makes visits to customers. So I'll choose service business, right? For me, I'll choose service business. Business category. So let me search for blogging if only it is available. Okay. Website development. Web development. Okay. So web designer. So when I'm done with this, I'll go to next. So the areas Sampa Ghana. So this is it, Sampa Ghana. The next. So that's where you choose a location, right? Yes. So here's your phone number. So I'll enter my phone number. 0554 749505. Anyone that takes my number, please. If not anything business or anything serious, or if you have a question to ask, please don't call. But you can chat me on WhatsApp, but don't call. So yeah, if I have website to enter, if you don't have, you move to the next section. So I have a website, it's Google Newsroom.com. Okay, so for here you take this one. Get alert and tips about way to manage your online store with Google. So we take it and click on continue. So they want to know much about me, my mailing address, my post office, but this thing I'll verify that later. Okay, or I should enter it. Let me enter it. Calafone Estate. Oh, Calafone Estate. So these are the details you need to enter. Sample. Next. Okay, so is that I should verify my code. So let's verify this. So this is my verification code. Let me verify. Okay, so your code was accepted. So you move to the next. So web designer, what are the things I do? Application development, mobile app development, software development. So this is a tutorial. I'm doing everything fast. I'll not get time and be thinking. But when you are doing yours, make sure You enter correct details, of course. So next, but oh yeah, you can also skip it, but so yeah, the business hours, days that you've been working. No, Ghana here, we don't work on Sundays. Sundays are for churches. Sunday are for rewashing our clothes and other stuff or cleaning houses. So I'll be like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'll not add Saturday. And if you can also skip it. So for me, I'm skipping it. But for you, you have to choose so that your business or your business partners or your clients will know what you are talking about or what exactly you are talking about. If you have any question, you can drop it at the comment section so that we can help you solve it. So me, I'm escaping this one for now. Okay. Do you want your customer to messaging on the Google Business? Okay. Let's escape this for now. But you can choose next so that you know what's up. So I'm escaping this. So here's your business description. This is very, very important. This is what to tell people the kind of business you're doing, like more about the business you're talking about or more about your business. So we build websites, web apps, and more. Then we continue next. So yes, you have to add some photos. I don't have photos here, so I like to choose yes. Only if it is available. I don't have to let's try and see whether I can get a photo on my PC. Yes, here's my brand logo. So let me choose my brand logo. Okay, cool. So next. So you can see there Maserati the creator, your professional web designer. But let's skip this. If you follow this, then you're going for Google Ad. So for here, what I'll tell you to escape, but if you follow it, you're going for Google Ads, and I'm ready to run an ad on Google. So we're just publishing our business on Google, not running an ad. So let's skip this one. So you go to continue. Okay, so you can see Maserati the creator, not publicly visible. So within some few time, it will be visible on Google, and when your customers search it, it's going to pop up. You're like, let's give like a 24 hours later, it's going to pop up. That's how it's going to be. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. You are all there. Thank you for coming back. If you don't understand anything, kindly drop it at the comment section so that we can help you. My name is Maserati the creator. I'm out.